Can pit bull dog kill a wolf? Wolves are misunderstood animals often thought to be dog-sized beasts that kill humans on the regularly. Wolves are actually the size of the largest dogs but decide to shy away from us. A normal Eurasian gray wolf averages 120 pounds, 2.5-inch canine teeth, a speed of 38 miles per hour, a bite force of 650 psi but can get past 1000 psi when in danger, extreme stamina and extreme fighting experience. Pit bulls on the other hand are medium-sized dogs, averaging a weight of 50 pounds, 1-inch canine teeth, a speed of 25 miles per hour, a bite force of up to 250 psi, good stamina and no fighting experience. Wolf advantages: aggressiveness, strength, size, experience, speed, agility, teeth and intelligence. Pit bull advantages: none. Winner no diff.